If your pool pump is making noise, it's usually a sign that something's off and you want to fix it fast before it gets worse. So first, check if your pool pump bearings need lubrication. Sometimes they dry out and start grinding like crazy. If your pump motor has parts that can be greased, grab some marine or lithium grease and carefully oil those bearings. Next, listen for any rattling noises that might mean loose screws or bolts. Tightening those can seriously quiet things down. Also, inspect the motor shaft and impeller for any signs of wear or damage. Worn parts often cause weird noises and poor pump performance. If you spot anything broken or cracked, it's best to replace those motor parts right away. Don't forget to clean out the pump basket and skimmer to avoid clogs that make your pump work harder and louder. Keep an eye on the pump's alignment with the motor because if they're off, it can cause vibration and noise. Finally, make sure your pump is on a solid, level surface to cut down on unnecessary noise from shaking or shifting. One of the biggest mistakes people make with noisy pool pumps is ignoring early warning sounds, which can lead to more expensive damage later. Fix it by acting as soon as you hear grinding or rattling. Another common problem is not lubricating bearings regularly enough. Dry bearings wear out fast and cause loud noises, so keep up with your grease schedule. Lastly, people often overlook worn or broken motor parts, thinking the pump just needs cleaning. Replacing worn parts will save you from costly repairs down the line and keep your pump running smooth and quiet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle pool pump issues and other home repairs without a hassle. Contractors also get a steady flow of work through the platform, making it easier to grow their business while helping people get their projects done right.